Hi CordaRoys family. Has your beanbag been expanding for 3 to 5 days, but it still doesn't feel like it's supporting you? Don't worry, we make all of our beanbags fully adjustable, and this tutorial will guide you towards adjusting your beanbag to the comfort level you're looking for. Adding foam is very easy to do, although it can be a bit messy, so we do recommend at least 2 people for this. First, you'll want to remove your outside cover. Just put this aside for now. Next, you'll notice that the zipper on the liner doesn't have a zipper pull. This is removed on purpose for child safety. Just use a paperclip as a zipper pull. Step 1. Open your booster pack of foam and remove the plastic bag from the box. Step 2. Open the plastic bag by cutting off the top. Step 3. The other person should now open the child-proof zipper with a paperclip, and you'll want this liner to be open about 18 inches. Step 4. While one person is holding the liner open, the other person will place the plastic bag with the booster pack of foam inside the liner. Step 5. Pinch the booster pack so that only half of it goes into the liner. Starting with half will prevent you from overfilling the beanbag. Step 6. Remove the plastic bag with the other half of the booster pack still inside and place it back into the box. Step 7. Zip the liner closed and remove the paperclip. Step 8. Break up the foam you just inserted into the liner. Step 9 is to use our 4-step process, which is taco, sock, rotate, bounce, to turn this insert back into your beanbag. Check out our other tutorials for tips and tricks on how to assemble your beanbag. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team.